In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Facebook user ID and username, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. Okay, once you are logged into your Facebook application, maybe you are using an iPhone or an Android, you want to navigate to the Settings tab. Click on your profile picture to the right. Then you will see the gear icon. Just tap on the gear icon. The gear icon is the setting button. Just click on it. Okay, now let me show you one thing here that you should do. Click on your Meta Account Center. Then click on Profiles. Then under Profiles, choose the profile where you want to view the username or user ID. I will choose the first profile here. It's my main profile. Then tap on Username. Now you will see your username. Okay, now let's go on how to check your Facebook user ID. Just click on the arrow back button. Just click on the arrow back button until you are in the Facebook main page. Once again, click on your profile picture to the right. Then click on the gear icon or the setting icon. Then just scroll down. Scroll down until you see this section for your activity. Under your activity, there are various sections: activity log, device permission, apps and websites, and so on. What we want to click on here is apps and websites. Just tap on it. Okay. Now you will see the various apps where you are logged in using Facebook. Just tap on one of the apps. For instance, here I have TikTok. Just tap on it. Allow it to load. Then at the very bottom, you will see your Facebook ID or user ID. It is very unique for every app. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.